And wouldn't you know, it's Monday night again. Just out here scuffing jams. I've got front windshield jam sanded. I've got the side of the cowl, this door jam, all around here. Drip rail around the back window. This trunk was already done. Now just doing the side of the cowl here, hinges and this jam, and that part will be done. Then I'll need to pull off that rear valance, 600 DA the car, clean it, start masking. All right, as you know, the jams are sanded. If you don't know, we pulled this rear valance panel off. I gotta sand that. Got the front bumper filler. Gotta sand that. Right now I'm gonna do the 600 interface pad DA on the car. You get the idea. I'm DAing. You know what a DA looks like, what it sounds like. Anyway, once again, this is just to refine the scratch a little bit, get rid of any straight sanding lines you may have going into body lines or corners. Doesn't take much. About it, just like that. Use the interface pads so it's soft. If you don't want to do it this way, get some 3M soft sanding sponges, like a 600 or 800 grit. Just cruise over it with that. I just watched a DD Speed Shop video. He was talking about, you know, the hate comments and people telling him that his stuff's ugly and junk, but he doesn't care, which, if he doesn't care, why is he making a video about it? Anyway, what he said was true. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks about your car. If that's what makes you happy, then you should do what you want with it. Now, one thing he said that wasn't true is he said that the only people hating on stuff are people that don't have anything of their own. That's not true. I have all kinds of stuff, all junk, but I have stuff, and I will still talk crap about other people's stuff. So there's always an exception to the rule. For example, quit calling 4-doors hot rods. They're not hot rods. They never were hot rods. They were never cool. They were just, you know, 4 doors. And also, don't call a 4-door Chevelle a crew cab. It's not a crew cab. It's a 4-door Chevelle. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm gonna sand this with some 320 now. I might do something with this. I'm all done DAing the car. It's ready to blow off and clean and start masking up. Buongiorno. Here you can see how I'm masking this. I'm slow at masking, but been out here for an hour and 20 minutes or so. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Get the other door done, windshield. Cover the front, I'll tape from the rockers and the wheel lips down the bottom of the quarters down to the floor, cover the back, blah blah blah. I got another night or two. Today's Wednesday. Man, I want to spray this Friday night, so I don't know if I'll be out here tomorrow night. Maybe I can get Angel to come help me mask. Yeah, anyways, I'd like to get this sprayed and then put back over here out of the way where it's going to sit for a few weeks and let it dry. So I may upload this video just like this, even though it's not much, but I feel like I should upload something. Or I will wait and upload this on this weekend when it's blue. Maybe I'll do that.
Froze this first.
Yeah, almost got her.
You have a tip that'll spray this?
Yeah. 5.0 tip.
That's good.
Yeah, it should work. We never saw this. Maybe it doesn't go all the way through. Whatever it is, it's a big hole. I just sanded that jam. Didn't even notice it. Anyway, you'll never know. Unless you open the trunk and then you know. I'll fill it with something. Yeah, just shut the trunk if you notice that. And then I leaned into it right here. Put a couple extra coats on top of that so I can sand it out. I forgot to get the video camera out before it was dry, but you've all seen it before, so that's it, except for I also forgot to strip this and epoxy it, the cowl flap, so I still have to do that and get it primered. But other than that, I think this is the only piece that's that and the side marker bezels that I have to put in blue primer still. So just 3 little pieces. Everything else is final primed, ready to dry.